This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the XM5 and preparing your phone. This speeds pairing and avoids failed scans. Plug in USB-C until the LED shows charging. Once charged above 50%, you'll have stable setup. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to hear the voice prompt. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone is on, visible, and within 1 meter. Once done, move to pairing mode. This lets the headphones advertise, so your phone can connect and register device settings. You place the XM5 into pairing by holding power about 7 seconds until the blue LED flashes. That signals discoverable mode. Then open the Sony Headphones Connect app on your phone, grant Bluetooth and location permissions so the app can find the device and manage features. Follow the app prompts to select WH1000XM5, complete pairing, and install any firmware updates. Doing updates improves ANC, battery life, and connectivity. Make sure both devices. You now customize sound and controls. Open ANC, ambient sound, and EQ in the app to tailor noise cancellation and tonal balance. Test voice assistant activation to verify controls. If you use 2 devices, enable multi-point in settings so audio switches smoothly between them. If connectivity or sound problems occur, try a reset first, then repair. This clears corrupt settings. If that fails, reinstall firmware via the app or use a different phone for diagnosis. This often resolves persistent dropouts or instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.